In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google and Airbnb. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find Airbnb through Google, switch into hosting mode, open the right listing, navigate to its custom link, and copy that link so you can share it confidently. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Airbnb, then select the official Airbnb website from the results. This is the quickest way to get to the right place, especially if you don't have the site bookmarked. Once the Airbnb homepage loads, look for the option that says Switch to Hosting. It's typically in the top right area. Click it to enter the hosting dashboard. If you're prompted to sign in, use the account you host with. If you don't immediately see Switch to Hosting, open the menu and you should find it there. Being in hosting mode ensures you have access to your property management tools rather than the guest-facing view. Inside the hosting dashboard, select Listings. This section shows every property you manage in one place. It's helpful to pause here and confirm you're looking at the right account if you manage more than one property, because the next steps will apply only to the listing you choose. Now, click on the specific listing you want to share. Opening the listing brings you into the editor, where you can review and fine-tune details. This is where Airbnb keeps controls for things like photos, descriptions, and helpful share settings. Within the listing editor, locate the section labeled Custom Link. It's usually under Details. Click Custom Link to open that panel. This is where Airbnb provides a clean, shareable URL that points directly to your listing's public page. Next, click the link itself. This will open or preview the live page so you can confirm everything looks correct from a guest's perspective. Give the page a quick scan to ensure the title, photos, and pricing appear as expected. When you're satisfied, copy the link. You can highlight it and copy, or use the built-in copy button if one appears. This link is the one you'll share anywhere you need, on Google, in Messages, on social media, or in emails. For best results, paste it into a new browser window or an incognito tab to test it the way a guest would see it, and keep a note of the link in your host documentation so it's easy to find later. That's it. You searched for Airbnb, switched to hosting, opened your listing, found the custom link, clicked to preview, and copied it for sharing.